Your vice is in the kitchen. Yeah, upon the finishing dish. You know the thing already. Got some rice and peas, well deal with, well nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have some stew here, so well deal with. You have add some coconut milk to it. Yes, man. Add some nice coconut milk to it to make the thing right. This one I said. Yes, my people. That's the thing going on. Rich and beautiful color and everything, man. Yes, man. And then now we're gonna add the fried fish to it, because we have some fried fish we already did, already seasoned up. You see it in the first part of the video, and then we're gonna add the fish now to the stew. Isn't that beautiful, man? Talk it through. So we'll make it simmer with the coconut milk, but we're just adding right. Yeah. And we'll come to perfection. You don't know the thing work already. Yes, man, vibes these in the kitchen. Rice and peas well nice and done. Fish are bubbling at the pot, Now we are close the lid. You make the fire and everything do it I do, you know. Vibes stays in the kitchen. And part the truth. The thing looking good. Not true?